do some cleanup here in recordings and transcripts, computer recordings. So that's saying computer, not the cloud, but it still tracks it all and here, and I can download all of them, which I have. And I'm just taking a look here so that we can have a bit of a recording. So that's going all the way back to May 2018. Wow. And then I've downloaded them all, so I'm not showing you that right now, but going back to previous sessions that I've run. So what I'm going to do at this point is start cleaning up, and I have downloaded them all. So I am going to now start deleting. Remove selected from list, permanently delete the recordings, delete the files on the computer where it was recorded. Whew. Okay, so I am going to just make sure that they are for sure saved. Okay, we are going to go for it. They're saved elsewhere. Remove selected from the list. Oh, is that everything? Computer can only be accessed where they were recorded. Okay, shared with me. Nothing in there. Transcripts. I want to also, so it's not giving me a mass option. Guess I'm going to have to do them all manually, and I think I may have just done that already. I think I am ready to delete as well. Just doing a big cleanup because I might be changing my plan and I don't want to be charged extra because all of this is here. It's always nerve-wracking, but I think I've saved everything, and it's time to, what's new? Oh, wait, maybe I should make sure I have downloaded everything. Okay, so I thought maybe it would disappear once I've downloaded, but it's not. All right, delete. Okay, that's computer recordings. So everything's in trash for now. Oh, no. Deleted recordings, deleted transcripts, saved for 30 days, shared with me, and then cloud recordings. I downloaded them, and now I'm going to delete them as well. Sometimes when I want to share something and not have to deal with uploading it somewhere else, share from the cloud, and I could have exported there as well.